This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. They're closing grain and livestock comments for January 22nd, 2016. Corn market today up 3 cents, beans down 2, wheat market up 1/2 in Chicago, down 2 1/2 Minneapolis. On the week, corn up about 7 cents, nice performance there. Beans down 2 1/2, wheat market down about 1/4 cent. Going home, the big focus here is going to be on corn demand. We're going to need to see that demand continue. We had good export sales today, and that's what allowed the corn market to lift and elevate a little bit. We're kind of into some cycle counts into next week, and we'll see if we can carry through another 7 to 9 cents, and then we think that's pretty stiff resistance there at around that 379 mark. Look to be marketing into that area. Beans, on the other hand, good South American weather allowed that market to go from about 7-8 higher to about 2 1/2 lower here. As a net result here, that weather continues to look favorable into next week, so we would not be surprised at some additional pressure there in the bean complex. Looking at the wheat market, down about 1/4 cent here, as we said on the week. Kind of chopped around for a lot of the week and really searching for direction. Priced out of the world markets here to some degree and really looking for that sense or next step here as we work ahead. The feeder cattle market on the week up 547 1/2, live cattle up 527 1/2, and hogs up about $1. On the day on Friday, feeder cattle up about $4, live cattle up 2, and hogs steady. Big report out, cattle on feed came in at 100% versus 99% expected. Placements 99% versus 96% expected, and marketing's at 101 versus 102% expected. So when you look at those details, maybe a little negativity to start on Monday. The good news is the cold storage sold pork stocks at 545 pounds versus expectations of 568, and beef stocks at 513.89 versus 528. So a little bit friendly on the stocks, a little bit bearish on the on-feed. We'll see how the market handles that into next week. Cash tones around 1:30 at midday. Should have some more aggressive cash tones here this afternoon yet, but beyond there, the cutouts are weakening a little bit, so kind of some mixed tones. We're open for mid-160s out of the feeder cattle to get some marketing conducted, mid-130s in the live cattle, and that hog market around 80 to 82 off the summer months. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results.